Tanaya, and today I'm going to be making a big blob of slime. What you're going to need is some oil. Like, I'm using canola oil. So, this is a big can, so I'm just going to pour it. You're going to need a bowl and something to mix with. And that is that color because I made a lot of slime before that. It's right there on that plate. Alright, so how much ever slime you're putting in there, that's how much oil you're gonna put in your bowl. The bowl, yeah, you can use a bowl, but you can't use a plate because the oil probably might leak out of the plate. Alright, it's heavy. So I'm gonna be mixing these 4 colors. This is NK Express. See, and these 3 are LA colors. Alright, first I'm gonna pour in my first color, which is pink, hot pink. Alright, the hot pink won't do right, it won't come out. So I'm just gonna be mixing these 2. Well, these 3. Alright. There. First I'm gonna put in my glitter. I have glitter. There. I pour in all of it. Now I stir the glitter around and make sure it gets around every corner. So I got glittery. Alright, first I'm gonna put in my blue. I don't have my glasses right now, so sorry. Maybe I'm not afraid to die. Oh, my friends are dead. So I use that color. Now I'm gonna be using. This pink. Alright. So why do BBs keep dropping in here? It's not gonna be that big, but it's gonna be like medium sized. Alright. Let me see what time it is. The clock is 10 minutes fast. 9:29. And now I'm going to be using my clear, which is the color that actually makes it pretty. Because actually, never mind. I added my clear. Now I have to mix it all in. And when I get through mixing it, make sure that it is right, like for real, right. So you should want to do it in oil because oil will make your slime shine. Cause like, look how it is already. I'm gonna show you as soon as I take it out. Alright, so I'm stirring it up. I'm gonna take it out and show you. Look at it. It's a blob. It's so easy. I know most of you should have oil. So most of you should have oil. And if you're a girl, nail polish. Alright. Let me see it, touch it, and see is it ready. You know when it's ready because it doesn't stick to your fingers. Mine is ready. I'm ready to show you guys. Dang it. Dropped it back in the bowl. Here it is. So drippy. put it on my plate with my other goos. Now let me wash my hands because wash the table. Bye guys. That was my video. Bye.